Hello viewers, today we are dealing with the energetics of beta oxidation. The ultimate aim of beta oxidation of fatty acid is to generate energy. Generation of energy of oxidation of 16 carbon fatty acid, that is palmitic acid, is as follows. Beta oxidation completes in 7 cycle. It generates 7 FADH2 and 7 NADH. 1 FADH2 is equal to 1.5 ATP, so 10.5 ATP are generated, while 1 NADH is equal to 2.5 ATP, hence 17.5 ATP are generated. 1 acetyl CoA generate 3 NADH plus 1 FADH2 plus 1 GTP, which is oxidized by citric acid cycle. So cumulatively it generates 80 ATP. Total energy from 1 mole of palmitoyl CoA is 108 ATP, while energy utilized for activation for the formation of palmitoyl CoA is 2 ATP. Hence, net yield of oxidation of 1 mole of palmitate is equal to 108 minus 2, that is 106 ATP. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.